Hey guys, Mr. Baines here to talk about the least common multiple. Let's get started. Add this to your table of contents. Make sure your date and page number are correct for your notebook, and that should say page 4, or whatever page is open in your notebook. Go ahead and pause it. Okay, learning objectives here. We need to find the least common multiple. You can do this two ways. You can list the multiples, or you can use prime factorization, kind of like greatest common factor. So the goal is to be able to find the least common multiple, so you'll have to understand what that word means. So let's start with a real-world scenario. A student goes to the store and notices that hot dogs are sold in packs of 8, and hot dog buns are sold in packs of 12. The student has 6 friends, and they each wish to eat 4 hot dogs. So 6 friends want to eat 4 hot dogs each. So the student buys 3 packs of hot dogs. Then, because she doesn't want to pay for the extra hot dog buns, she buys 3 packs of buns and takes 4 buns out of each bag. Use what you know about factor pairs to evaluate this student's mathematical thinking. Is her thinking accurate? What mathematical relationship is she missing? Please write the answers to all of these questions in your notebook. I'll read them for you. How many hot dogs came in a pack? How many buns? Pause and answer that one. How many extra buns did she remove from each package? Pause and answer that one. 4. How many buns did she want to buy? Was her thinking correct? Did she end up with 24 hot dog buns? Number 5, was there a more logical way for her to do this? What was she missing? Go ahead and pause that. All right. So let's talk about these really quick. She took 4 extra buns from each pack. She needed 24 hot dogs and 24 hot dog buns. So instead of taking 4 extra buns, 4 buns out of each of the 3 packs, she should have just bought 2 packs, because then she would have had 24 buns and then 3 packs of hot dogs, so that she had 24 hot dog buns. All right, least common multiple. This is the smallest number that has smaller numbers as their factor. So the least common multiple of 7 and 2 is 14. All right, so 2 can be 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. 7 can only be 7, 14, 21. So the smallest number that both of these have in common is 14. The smallest number that both of these have in common, both of 9 and 6 have in common, is 18. Okay, so please make a tip chart for the word least common multiple, then add it to your index with the correct page number. Go ahead and pause it. Okay. All right, so here's another example. Let's use 6 and 14. Okay. So multiples of 6 are 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48. Multiples of 14 are 14, 28, 42, 56, 70, and 84. So the smallest number that these two numbers share is 42. So the least common multiple is 42. If we go back to her situation, we should have So 8 and 12, if we did 8 and 12, 8 would be 8, 16, 24, and 12 would be 12, 24. So the number that they share is 24. All right. There are two ways to find it. So you can list the multiples just like we did here, or you can use prime factorization and then multiply all the factors together. Only use common factors once. I'll explain what that means in a second. If you see a dot also means multiplication. So these are the same thing. The dot and the x are the same thing. So if we have 6 and 8, you can list them all out. 6, 12, 18, 24. Sorry, that circle is supposed to be around 24. Okay? 24 is the first number they share. So the least common multiple is 24. We could also use prime factorization. So 6 can turn into 2 and 3. 8 can turn into 3 2s. Now we're only going to, this is the part that I was saying before, we're only going to use one. So both of these share a 2, right? So we got to get rid of one of those 2s, just one of them. Okay, so if we get these, we share a 2, so get rid of one of those 2s. 3 times 2 times 2 times 2 gives us 24. All right. Please try and find the least common multiple of 18 and 24. I will show you both ways in a second. You may try whichever way makes the most sense to you. Go ahead and pause it and write your answer in your notebook. Okay. All right, here I wrote it out for you. Multiples of 18, 18, 36, 54, 72, 90. Multiples of 24, 24, 48, 72. So they share 72. Or we could have done prime factorization. 18 turns into 3 times 3 times 2. 24 turns into 3 times 2 times 2 times 2. Both of these share a 3 times 2. So we get rid of one of the 3 times 2s and then multiply all of these. Okay, so you just get rid of one of the shared factors. So 3 times 3 times 2 times 2 times 2 gives us 72. All right, I'm going to give you one more example, then you're going to try it. So try and find the least common multiple of 10 and 14. Do this in your notebook. Go ahead and pause it. Okay. Oh, what happened? Oh, no. You can't see it. I'll go back and show you that one. Sorry, I don't know what happened there. Sometimes it's a little funny. Okay, so let's try that again. Here it comes. There it is. All right, so least common factor of 10 and 14. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Multiples of 14. 14, 18, 42, 56, 70. So they share 70. Or if we do prime factorization, 2 and 5, 2 and 7, other numbers, we have to get rid of one of the shared. So they both share a 2, so we get rid of one of those. And 2 times 5 times 7 is 70. Okay. Do this one in your notebook. I'm not going to show you the answer, so please try it on your own. All right. There is an interactive website where you can practice finding these, and it'll tell you whether you get the right answer. I'd like you to go on to this game this website, and you'll see this. Click this one, and then do 3 of them. So if you Google search Factor Tree Game, then you click on this, and then you do 3 of these. Write your work in your notebook. Go ahead and pause it. Come back when you're done. Okay. This is the end of our video. So what you have to do now is go into your Google Classrooms. I have posted a new item and a new assignment. You need to watch the video called Least Common Multiple. So you guys just did that. Click on that. You'll see that you have a My Assignment tab. Open this up. May take just a second. Okay, then you'll type your answer here, or type your name, date, and period, then answer all 5 of these questions. After you've answered them, click the blue Turn In button, and then you're done. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys next time.